Good morning once again from the Peak District. Today we are going for just a walk round the reservoir. Should be a 7 1 minute. Oh nice. Should be a 7.5k loop round. Wasn't expecting it to be a bit sunny than it is today, so the gloves are on. But otherwise, yeah, should be nice. There's not forecasted to rain, and with any luck, it won't be as muddy as the previous walk. But yeah, should be a nice day, and I'll take you along with us. Here we have Ken Cloud and the roaches up in the distance. I don't actually know how to pronounce the name of the reservoir, and I've heard it pronounced 4 different ways, so I'm not going to. But it's the one next to the roaches. Oh no. The river behind me is the River Churnet, and the Churnet Valley is a semi-natural and ancient woodland, and the Churnet River feeds into the water here, but also into the local town Lee, and it is a haven for local wildlife such as birds, such as the great spotted woodpecker. Well done.
Buena.
This used to be a place where otters were abundant before they were like hunted by hunting dogs and things. So there aren't as many otters about because due to like hunting, their numbers really dwindled. But you may be able to see some otter sort of footprints and things by the banks of the river. So we're on a bit of a wildlife spotting, sort of looking out for wildlife on this walk as well. And there's some birds over there. I'm not sure if you can see them. So yeah, there's supposed to be a load of bird hideouts as well. So we've brought the binoculars with us to hopefully have a better view of spotting some of the birds that are out and about. And then, yeah, so hopefully we should come across some hides. And yeah, I'll try and film as much as I can, but I don't know if I'll be able to get up close with this camera. But yeah. We probably won't actually be able to see any otters because they are nocturnal, but we may be able to find sort of like evidence of them, if you will. You can also come here for water sports. We, a few years ago, came here to do some kayaking. Behind me, not sure if you can see, that's where basically the boats and everything are based. Is probably, I mean, as you can see, there's no one on the river because it's a bit cold. Not the most ideal conditions for kayaking, more of a summer activity in my opinion. But yeah, you can also come here for water sports as well as walking. This behind me is the dam. It was originally built to supply water for the dyeing industry, like textiles dyeing industry in Leek. But since then it's been expanded and it's now 3 times bigger than the original dam. And it's primarily for supplying drinking water to Staffordshire and Stephenford towns. So that down there is where they filter it and process it to turn it into drinking water and do all their kind of processes. We can hear the woodpecker. Did you hear it? I'm not sure where it's coming from though. I don't think we've had to see it from here, even with the binoculars to be honest, but I stopped. It's me yapping. We've just spotted some buzzards, I think, 3 of them, over in the trees over there, so stopping to have a little look. Also, we're about just over 5 kilometres in, and the signpost for the trail that we're on is saying that the visitor centre is 3.8 kilometres away, so it's looking at the moment that it's going to be about 9 kilometres today. I'm not sure if you can see from here, but there's 2 oystercatchers at the end of the pier there. Oystercatcher is of course a misnomer. They do not in fact catch oysters. The more you know. Most of there are some cormorants on the lifeboats in the far distance, sort of there as well. Nearly at 7k into this supposedly 7.5k walk, and we've for the first time found a wildlife hide to look through with our binoculars to look at the wildlife. Oh, to look at the wildlife. So yeah, I thought there'd be more, but at least we found one. So we finished the walk, about, well, at 8 kilometers in the end. We just popped into the visitor centre to double check and ask how the name is pronounced, and it is Tittesworth Water. So if you are venturing down the south of the Peak District and you are looking for a nice reservoir walk, we would recommend Tittesworth Reservoir as a nice little 7-8k loop with lots of bird spotting and other nice sort of woodland nature. Oh, and some rabbits. Woodland nature and wildlife spottings and atmosphere. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully there'll be more just like this soon to come. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy this video, do be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.